Look at this big screen. Today we're going to be talking about the Huawei Matepad Pro and what you can actually do with this device. Hello you beautiful people! Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. Welcome to my lightest work setup yet. So long story short, my laptop is broken and scripts needed to be written and writing on the phone is hard. So the Matepad Pro has actually been super useful in that department. But I know you're asking, what else can this thing do? Okay, so the Matepad Pro is this tablet. It's a tablet with cameras and a number of cool accessories. On its own, it's a sleek little thing, and adding this folio means it transforms as a tablet you can now comfortably type on. For me, this just helps a lot when scripting. There's just something about typing this way that helps me focus more versus typing with your thumbs on a screen of a phone or a tablet. Actually, if you're into the whole computer setup, the tablet also has a desktop mode, which, oh my god, means you can bring it up a notch because you can run simultaneous things. Attach a Bluetooth keyboard and a mouse and work as if you're on a computer. Anyway, back to the folio. I'm getting carried away. Yeah. It's attached via magnets and closes neatly like so, ready and easy to bring around. Even with that keyboard folio, it's not too thick, so that means you can still carry it easily. Another cool accessory you can add to the mix is this Huawei pen. It sticks to the side and charges through sticking on the side. Actually, both accessories were easy to pair and I had no problems with connectivity, except I was a little dumb about how the M Pen worked. I mean, I figured it out eventually. The Huawei Matepad Pro is such a cool thing. It's a tablet that has this case that doubles into a keyboard, and it also has this pen, but I can't figure out how to make it work. Help! But also, look at this. Nice. Holy you guys, I'm a dumb. You literally put it on there. Connect. We good! Oh my god. Anyway, yeah, the M Pen. Aside from feeling good in hand, this is perfect for writing notes and get this, check this app out. Okay, so this is my favorite app with the Huawei M Pen. So this is Nebo for Huawei, and well, let's make a new one. This is what the M Pen can do. As you can see, it completely turned that into text, and well, let's say it didn't get M Pen, you can just tap and then correct, and then convert to text. Dude, that is gonna be very useful. Another thing that I love is this My Script calculator, and basically you can do like 5 times 6 equals imagine all the math equations you can do on this. There are other ways to use it, and you can do it in tandem with a keyboard too. Actually, this is what I've been doing with scripting. I type down initial ideas, then export as PDF so I can insert notes and edit. I promise this is a life changer. Also, multitasking. I know, this isn't what that's for, but I can do games while I script. For artists, this can also be used for drawing, but I'm afraid I can't really demo that, and this is the best that I can do. I tried. These two things, cool as they are, do not, however, come with a tablet. So you can pick and choose what you need, as they're both sold separately. Right, so this tablet. First of all, I have the rather boring looking one because guess what? There is an orange version of this. I want that. So there's one front-facing camera, and this is the camera we're shooting with right now. This is the audio from the tablet as well. This is also a camera that's being used for face unlock. So yes, this tablet has face unlock. This is, on the other hand, the 13 megapixel rear camera on the Huawei Matepad Pro. It's technically a more powerful camera versus the 8 megapixel front-facing camera that we just tried out. Okay, wait, I should be looking at the camera. So I have used this tablet on a number of Zoom meetings and even a couple of online drinking sessions, and the experience was great overall. And no, I am not taking sample photos with these cameras. Like, you have enough video samples right here, and these cameras, I don't think they're really designed to capture awesome photography. Like, they're there for the sake of being there. So yeah, you can't really hate on them. And like I said, they did pretty well for Zoom calls. So, oh, another thing is that audio recording is actually quite good on here. Listen. The screen is nice, it's bright, and colors are punchy, it's responsive. The Huawei OS on this feels very similar to what you'd find on a Huawei phone, right down to the Huawei Mobile Services app situation. You can watch my dedicated video on that, I'll link it up here and down below. From the Huawei Mobile Services app, I downloaded Zoom, Viber, LAZADA. Probably should not have downloaded LAZADA because I shop instead of working now, so watching stuff on here has been an amazing experience. There's no audio port on this, but these Harman Kardon speakers are good. Aside from watching stuff on, this great big screen is great for games with awesome visuals, if it's a game that will work with this tablet. Also, TCG, or Today's Cute Game. It's terrarium where you can basically grow your own plants because real ones aren't enough, and I need virtual ones on a nice wide screen. One of the main things that I wanted to point out in this video is how the Huawei ecosystem has been growing. I say that because a while back I got to try the Huawei Share feature between a laptop and a Huawei phone. I'll link it up here and down below so you can check that out. But what's even more cool is the shooting setup you can have with a Huawei Matepad Pro and a Huawei device. So I'm shooting this video on the P40. Basically how you would if you were vlogging or shooting whatever video. What's so cool is that you can share your phone screen via multi-share collaboration. Like, the Matepad Pro will mirror your phone screen and you'll be able to control the screen via the Matepad Pro. Plus, Huawei Share means you can literally drag and drop files. So I'm shooting this video on the P40. And then you can edit straight on here. Of course, it's not gonna be some Hollywood cinematic editing going on here, but it does the job. Battery time for me on this thing has averaged around 2 days more or less. I mean, that's more than enough juice for you to work on this with the whole day. Plus, use up some battery on the Matepad Pro to reverse charge your phone. Yes, this thing can do reverse wireless charging.
So Huawei. Oh my god, it's working! Oh my god! Can I have it?
And there you go, folks. That was our look at what the Huawei Matepad Pro can do. Amazingly, a lot of things. If the Matepad is any indication, gone are the days when tablets are seen as just bigger screen devices. Let me know what you think about this. Comment down below what your thoughts are about this device. Right, that's it for today's video. If you want to get to see how I use this tech on a daily basis, you can find me online. That's at CisaSaid. Until next time!